What's up YouTube, I'm just another guy and welcome to a tutorial here. Now I get asked a lot how I have downloaded the Gibraltar database and how I'm able to manage teams from Gibraltar and also how I manage the national team. So I decided I'd do a tutorial just to help answer your questions and also help you maybe visualize something that maybe you couldn't quite understand or weren't too clear about when I replied or commented back to you. So let's do this now. So what you want to do is originally you want to go onto the library and then click on Football Manager 2015. There you'll see this section, the Steam Workshop, and you'll want to go into that and go into browser it. Now here you can find a variety of different things. Either it's databases, for example additional leagues that you want to add in. For example, here there's the FIFA World League which someone has made, or there's the German 5 divisions which is their thereon it's additional leagues apart from the ones that you'll just find in the vanilla game. There are also challenges, for example the Steam FC 800 million challenge, and also tactics. You can get loads of different things here. As you see, they're all here. So if you want to take a look around on here, this can sort of help you download anything because it is very, very simple. But what you want to do is you want to click on this search and type in Gibraltar to find the database specific to me, and then you want to click on this one, which is the one made by SI Games. Now that is by Sports Interactive, so the people who obviously make the game. So to me that says it's going to be one of the best databases for Gibraltar you are going to find around. So what you want to do is you want to click on that, plain and simple, and then you'll get this page come up. Once you are here, you want to do something very, very simple and quite literally just press subscribe. Now what that will do is it says you have subscribed, and then once you relaunch your game, you should find, or relaunch Football Manager, you should find it in your downloads. So I'll quickly go there now and show you what you should see. Okay guys, so here on Football Manager now, you should be able to click on your downloads here and you'll load up store, but you want to go into the Steam Workshop. And here you should be able to see that, as you can see for me, Gibraltar, it says subscribed. Anything else you download from the Steam database, or Steam Workshop, sorry, will be on here as well. It'll have a different title, whatever the title was you downloaded. So what that means now is you do have it downloaded onto your game. So we'll leave the store quickly and we'll go to start a new game. Now you can't do this on Football Manager Classic, so it has to be full Football Manager. And when you go to start up a new game, you should see this pop up. Now what you should do is you should see this will appear if it doesn't, well, first of all, this whole box should appear if it doesn't already, and you should see this section here, editor data files. Now if you only have this Gibraltar database downloaded, you should see 1 enabled and in brackets 1 in total. Now for me, I've got a load of other things downloaded, but if you say, for example, if it says 0 enabled out of 1, you do have the option to do all or none, or you can custom it and then go into edit here. Now what this will, by clicking on edit, what that will do is it will show you every single thing that you have downloaded on the game. So for me, as you can see, I've got loads and loads of different things. I've got real names, I've got a few homemade databases. I was thinking of doing some challenges and stuff. I've got another little thing here which I may still do, but for now you just want to click on Gibraltar, the nation and the file name. Now you can still do this, say if you were to just click confirm, but then for example, yeah, so for example you just press confirm, you just continued into the game, and then you got to pick your nations. If you then didn't see Gibraltar, which I actually cannot see, so if you didn't see Gibraltar, you want to go and edit data files, and what that will do is then that will take you back into that back into the section where you can see everything you've got downloaded on the database. You'd unselect maybe whatever you had selected, click on Gibraltar and press confirm down on the bottom. That way you can reselect it. Now when you go to select nations, you should see Gibraltar is an option. So all you've got to do then is click on that, go to your select leagues. You then have the first and second division to choose from. You can make that playable or not playable. You know the drill here. Very simple. And you want to get the start date. Say if you want to manage in Gibraltar, preferably you want to start there. Choose your database size, go into the game, and voila, you should be able to pick then, as you would normally pick a team, any team from Gibraltar from the first or second division. So it's that simple, it's very easy. Like I said, there are other ways to do it. If you find a Gibraltar database from another place, for example another website, there are other ways you can get this into your game. You have to, that goes through the documents then, that involves dragging and clicking and copy and pasting certain files and things into certain places. Overall, if you do it on the Steam Workshop, if you download any of your files off the Steam Workshop, it is just that simple. So I'd recommend doing it that way. That's how I did it. That's what I'm currently managing in Gibraltarian divisions, and hopefully this helped out or helps answered any questions. If you still have any other questions, feel free to put that below, but hopefully this helped out. And either way guys, until next time, peace out.